Whoa, it's already pushed me sideways. Not a good thing. Even felt the wind in my wrist as it was coming off. I need to let off the throttle more in the vertical, not on the all the way on the way down. That's why I'm coming too hot on the way down. Also, I think the wind is going against me, so. The other thing that I noticed is that I don't, I used to use it on my older quad, but I don't want to put it on here, because when you have the horizon on-screen level, kind of looks cool, but it's, I mean, when you're trying to just enjoy what you're doing and try stuff out, it's like too much crap on the screen when you have goggles. But there is that option of adding the horizon levels. It has the two vertical lines for giving you the angle, and then you have your horizontal line to give you the horizon when you're actually close to it. So I prefer to have the sticks if I have to go back and look at what I was doing more than the actual horizon line. But they keep leaving their sweatshirt like every day. So before it was in the dirt, now it's back in the wind is throwing me all over the place. Yeah, probably heading back at 3-minute mark, and then by the time I get back it's another 20 seconds, and then another, a couple of those to line up, and yeah, there you go, 20 seconds to get back, 20 to 30. Is that a squirrel I see? Yep. Getting good at this. Jeez.